Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating differences between male and female bodies. From unique physiological traits to intriguing biological distinctions, these 30 facts will give you a deeper understanding of how men's and women's bodies differ. Let's dive in. 1. Did you know that on average, men have about 50% more muscle mass than women? This is due to higher levels of testosterone, which promotes muscle growth. 2. Did you know that women typically have a higher percentage of body fat than men? This helps with energy storage and is essential for reproductive health. 3. Did you know that the female heart is smaller than the male heart, weighing about 25% less, yet it beats faster, averaging 78 beats per minute compared to 70 for men? 4. Did you know that men generally have thicker skin than women, with the skin being about 25% thicker due to higher collagen density? 5. Did you know that women have a higher pain threshold than men? Studies suggest that women may experience pain differently and may have a greater ability to cope with it. 6. Did you know that men have a higher basal metabolic rate, BMR, than women, meaning they burn calories faster even at rest? 7. Did you know that women's immune systems are generally stronger than men's, possibly due to the protective effects of estrogen? 8. Did you know that men typically have larger lung capacities than women, which allows them to take in more oxygen per breath? 9. Did you know that women generally have a better sense of smell than men? This heightened sense of smell is thought to be linked to reproductive hormones. 10. Did you know that men tend to have a higher bone density than women, which makes their bones stronger but also means women are more prone to osteoporosis? 11. Did you know that women's vocal cords are shorter than men's, which is why women usually have higher-pitched voices? 12. Did you know that men are more likely to store fat in their abdomen, while women tend to store fat in their hips and thighs? 13. Did you know that women have more taste buds than men, which may make them more sensitive to certain flavors? 14. Did you know that men are more prone to color blindness than women? This is because the genes responsible for the most common types of color blindness are located on the X chromosome, and men have only one X chromosome. 15. Did you know that women's skin tends to be softer and less oily than men's due to lower sebum production? 16. Did you know that men are generally better at spatial tasks, such as mental rotation of objects, while women tend to excel in verbal tasks and multitasking? 17. Did you know that men have a larger proportion of slow-twitch muscle fibers, which are better for endurance, while women have more fast-twitch fibers, which are better for short bursts of strength? 18. Did you know that women's bodies are more flexible than men's due to differences in muscle and joint composition? 19. Did you know that men's brains are about 10% larger than women's, but women have more gray matter, which is involved in processing and communication? 20. Did you know that women generally have a longer life expectancy than men? This may be due to genetic, hormonal, and behavioral factors. 21. Did you know that men are more likely to develop heart disease at an earlier age than women? This is partly due to higher levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and lower levels of HDL, good cholesterol in men. 22. Did you know that women are more likely to suffer from autoimmune diseases than men? This may be related to hormonal and genetic differences. 23. Did you know that men sweat more than women? Men's sweat glands are more active, leading to greater perspiration during physical activity. 24. Did you know that women's hair grows faster than men's, but men are more likely to experience baldness due to genetic factors? 25. Did you know that women's bodies are more efficient at regulating core body temperature, which is why women are less likely to experience heat stroke? 26. Did you know that men are more likely to be left-handed than women? The reason for this is still not fully understood. 27. Did you know that women's sense of hearing is generally better than men's, especially in higher frequency ranges? 28. Did you know that men's faces tend to have more pronounced brow ridges, larger noses, and bigger jawbones compared to women's? We hope these 30 brand new facts about the differences between male and female bodies have given you a fresh perspective on human biology.